Alright everybody, I'm back again with yet another video using the amazing GoPro 7. This little camera, oh my goodness. The quality of the pictures, the quality of the video, the hyper smooth is unreal. All I do, walk around with it just like this, no gimbal. This is how I have it, and just buttery smooth results. Today, I just went and looked at some model homes, Beezer homes. If you ever have a chance, check them out. Beautiful houses. I'm not getting sponsored. I just think they make beautiful houses. As I'm looking through the houses, it was a trip because I ran into a professional photographer. They were actually setting up their lights and their camera. It was pretty cool to see how they were doing it, but he was showing me how he was editing his pictures. Just beautiful, beautiful.
So you want to get pro photo equipment because it's expensive.
Yes.
And it's light and it's brand new and you just look like that kind of guy.
Yes.
With that being said, I'm gonna get to the video. All the video was done with this camera. All the pictures were done with this camera. No external mic, no nothing but this camera. Enough said, check the video out. in these rooms. Alright, let's just have this here. What am I doing? Typically, this is a gorgeous kitchen. I think I'm a fan of a 2-story. I like the layout. You know, this little camera right here, it just keeps pushing the boundaries. It's almost to the point where this could be your do-it-all camera. Almost. Not there yet, but it's clearly getting there. For the average person, this is more than enough. You get to the voice, the commands, the touch screen, the built-in mic, the hyperlapse, the hyper time lapse. Nobody in the industry is touching that right now. This thing is just an amazing little camera. You know, the problem when you go look at model homes is you want to buy them. I came home, I want to sell my house and go buy one of those. But it has nothing to do with the video. If you don't own a GoPro 7, might want to get you one. If you do vlogs or if you do Instagram stuff, this works great because you just turn it sideways and you can take pictures, you can do video, you can do your hyperlapse, you can do time lapse, you can do everything sideways. It doesn't matter if it's upside down. When the video is taken, it's taken right side up. Just amazing design, amazing camera, everything is amazing. So, with that being said, I'm going to conclude the video. As usual, I appreciate your time. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up. You guys have a good one. Have a blessed day.